Harriet, where are we going?
Not this again. I want to be in
Why?
I don't like vlogs.
You look fine. Harriet, this is like my workout basically. It's my arm workout. So, what did you do all day?
Enjoyed my life until you came.
You know, everybody that I know say the same thing. Wow, look at the greenery, guys.
Cyclist is coming. You should jump.
Jump where? Ooh, look at these cinematic bushes.
It's fun.
It's not fun.
You gotta put the drop.
That's it, respect your elders. Ha ha, dragonfly.
It's a bee.
Maybe I should have taken my allergy pills.
You should have taken a mask.
I'm getting a little itchy throat.
How do you screw up this many times and still not learn from it? I just don't understand that.
Huh.
That's my confusion.
Confusion with how I don't learn from my mistakes?
Yeah.
If everybody learned from mistakes, Harriet, we wouldn't have no problems. Duh.
Isn't that what we want?
No, we want problems.
For what?
This way there will always be good people and bad people.
What?
Yeah. Don't you know that?
How do you want bad people?
Don't,
I do.
you do know that we can solve every problem in the universe right now, but nobody wants to because everybody wants to be powered.
100%. Every single word in my ear.
Deep inside, it'll be better. Don't tell me the trail ended here.
Is this the right trail?
Oh, I see it. I think that's it. We're getting deep into the woods now. Oh, I love it. I think I'm gonna die of allergy before that. Just want to make sure we're on going in the right direction. Yeah, we are. So, this way. Come on.
Why is it going up and down?
It shouldn't. Stop moving too much.
I have to walk.
You're supposed to like hold it steady and just not move your hips too much. I know it's hard for you to do.
Yeah.
Wide load.
Shut up.
She has big butt.
You know what? I'm gonna unsubscribe from you.
Oh, ferns. Harriet, let's take a B-roll of this field. This looks like India. Well, and it started raining. What should I say? Ooh, race the steep hill. Since we're both scared of thunderstorms, we thought we'll head back. So, I guess we'll come another day. Right?
Sure.
Did we come that way or this way?
This way.
Yeah. Good job, Harry. Good job. That was a good arm workout. Harry's walking really fast because her phone isn't waterproof.
It's that severe thunderstorm. You didn't read the update?
If you walk like that, I'm gonna get a heart attack. Oh my god. It's raining heavier. So I think I'm gonna stop the video. And the sun just went down. So I'll see you guys on the next one.